Yo, what's up everyone? It's Dark and we're diving deep into the world of the MacBook Air M2. Did you know this thing has some hidden tricks up its sleeve? We're talking about those features that aren't plastered all over the marketing materials. From performance boosts to hidden shortcuts, we're about to uncover the secrets that'll make you a MacBook Air M2 power user. Alright, let's kick things off with a performance hack that'll make a real difference. Head over to your battery settings and you'll find an option for battery optimization. Turning off battery optimization will give you a noticeable boost in CPU and GPU intensive tasks like video editing, gaming, or anything that really pushes the M2 chip to its limits. You'll be surprised by the difference it makes. And while we're talking performance, let's not forget about storage. The MacBook Air M2 comes with blazing fast SSD storage, but if you need even more space, you can connect an external SSD via Thunderbolt 3 for insane transfer speeds. Trust me, once you go Thunderbolt, you won't want to go back. MagSafe is back, baby. It's not just about the satisfying snap anymore though. If you're rocking the 67-watt charger, you can juice up your MacBook Air M2 from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes flat. But wait, there's more. MagSafe isn't the only charging port on this machine. You've also got that versatile USB-C port, and guess what? You can use both at the same time. This is perfect for those times when you need to multitask and charge multiple devices simultaneously. It's all about convenience and efficiency, people. Okay, let's talk about those hidden trackpad and keyboard shortcuts that'll turn you into a MacBook Air M2 Ninja. First up, we've got the 3-finger drag. Just place 3 fingers on the trackpad, click down gently, and start dragging. Now let's talk about accessing Launchpad in a flash. Simply pinch in with your thumb and 3 fingers on the trackpad, and boom, Launchpad appears instantly. Did you know you can open display settings instantly by pressing Option plus brightness up? No more digging through system preferences, and of course we can't forget about Command plus space for Spotlight search. Just hit the keys, start typing, and Spotlight will find it for you. Apps, files, documents, you name it. The MacBook Air M2 is a video conferencing beast, and there's a hidden feature that'll take your calls to the next level. We're talking about voice isolation mode, and it's like having a studio quality microphone built right in. To activate this magic, head over to your control center, click on the mic mode option, and select voice isolation. Now your microphone will focus solely on your voice, filtering out all the background noise. Voice isolation mode works seamlessly with all your favorite video conferencing apps like FaceTime, Zoom, and Google Meet. With voice isolation mode, you'll sound like a pro in every meeting, presentation, and virtual hangout. Let's be real, the built-in webcam on most laptops isn't anything to write home about, but guess what? The MacBook Air M2 has a secret weapon up its sleeve: continuity camera. This awesome feature lets you use your iPhone as a high-quality webcam, and it's incredibly easy to set up. Just bring your iPhone close to your Mac, and they'll magically connect via continuity. Continuity camera also unlocks some cool features like center stage, which keeps you perfectly framed in the shot even as you move around, and portrait mode, which blurs the background for a more professional look. It's like having a professional-grade webcam built right into your MacBook Air M2. So there you have it, folks. 5 hidden features of the MacBook Air M2 that'll unlock its true potential and turn you into a power user. Which feature surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more MacBook tips. Did you know that you can instantly switch users on your MacBook Air M2 with just a double tap on the Touch ID sensor? No more logging out and back in, just a quick double tap, and you're good to go.